Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, we're going to go over some idioms that are commonly used in daily speech. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. First, to play something by ear. To play something by ear means to decide what to do as a situation happens, without a fixed plan. In a sentence, I don't have a schedule for the trip. Let's just play it by ear. Next, to be all ears. To be all ears means to listen very attentively and eagerly to what someone is saying. In a sentence, go ahead and tell me what happened. I'm all ears. Next, to wake up on the wrong side of the bed. To wake up on the wrong side of the bed means to start the day in a bad mood for no clear reason. In a sentence, she snapped it at everyone this morning. She must have woken up on the wrong side of the bed. Next, to wing something. To wing something means to do something without preparation or improvising as you go. In a sentence, I didn't have time to prepare slides, so I just winged the presentation. Next, to make a mountain out of a molehill. To make a mountain out of the molehill means to make a small problem seem much bigger than it really is. In a sentence, you're making a mountain out of the molehill. It's just a small typo, not a big deal. Alright, friends, there we have it. We've covered some really useful idioms today, and I hope everything made sense. Don't forget to check out the file linked in the description because I've also included some exercises to help you practice, so you can start using idioms effortlessly and actually remember them longer. Okay, bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.